Good evening and welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. In 2 days from now, Kangana Ranaut will be returning to Mumbai, but not before landing bang in the middle of a raging row. In the row, there's the Aghadi government on the one side and the actor herself on the other. First came the threat that her face will be broken when she comes back to Mumbai. Then she was called a haram khor and a mental woman. And finally today, says Kangana, the BMC landed up at the office of her production house, Manikarnika Films, and they are going to demolish that office tomorrow without giving any notice. The question is this an effort to intimidate someone who is speaking out? Someone you do not agree with? Someone who is taking on the state government? And it's in this backdrop, in the backdrop of the threats that have been leveled at her, that the centre today decided to give Y+ security to the actor. She, in fact, becomes the first actor to get this kind of cover, which translates into an 11-man security detail around the clock. Now, when Kangana reaches Mumbai, amid a fractious fight with the Maharashtra government, she will have the third highest level of security available in the country. A move that has been called nothing more than political by all critics of Kangana and the BJP. From Abu Azmi, who said that Kangana doesn't deserve security, in fact, she doesn't deserve to live in Mumbai, to Bala Saheb Thorat, who said that Kangana is nothing more than a BJP mouthpiece and the security given to her is quid pro quo. Now, the security is being given a political color. But so far from apologizing for abusing the actor, even if you did not agree with her Mumbai feels like POK comment, no one in the Aghadi is willing to explain whether it's okay to threaten, bully and abuse an individual only because they decide to speak against you.
ऐसा है मुंबई हो या महाराष्ट्र हो, उसका जो भी कोई अवमान करता है, अपमान करता है, और ऐसे व्यक्ति को केंद्र शासन Y+ की सुरक्षा देती है, तो ये बहुत ही आश्चर्यकारक और दुखकारक ऐसी बात है। ऐसे महाराष्ट्र को अवमानित करने का, अपमानित करने का काम कोई करता है तो उसका सभी पार्टी के लोगों ने उसके बारे में खेद व्यक्त करना चाहिए।
किसी का विचार भी गलत हो तो उसका हम निषेध कर सकते हैं, वो गलत है ये हम बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन राज्य सरकार की या जो संवैधानिक पदों पर बैठे हैं उनकी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि उनकी जान और माल की रक्षा करना। अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो हम एक बनाना रिपब्लिक बनेंगे।
You were watching the News Hour at 10. Agenda. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Okay, joining us on the debate now, we have Amit Satam, MLA of the BJP, Roshan Gary, who's a director and a friend of Sushant, Vikram Singh Yadav, supporter of the Shiv Sena, Shoaib Chaudhary, TV and film producer, Sundar Balakrishnan, political analyst and senior journalist Ashutosh. I want to start by asking you, Ashutosh, even if you don't agree with someone, and let me say at the outset, what Kangana said about Mumbai being POK, in principle, I disagree with it. But is it okay to tell someone that I am going to break your face when you come back to Mumbai?
No amount of such statement can be justified by any means, whether it is said by Shiv Sena or by anybody else. The kind of word which has been used by Sanjay Rawat is again is condemnable. But is it justifiable that she is comparing Mumbai with POK?
It's not.
I'm still amazed.
But is it justifiable for the entire might of the state to then descend on a woman and say, हमारी जो शिव सैनिक की कार्यकर्ता हैं वो उनका मुंह तोड़ देंगी, वो हरामखोर है, वो पागल लड़की है, मेंटल औरत है? How is that justifiable?
No. Let me first complete. And I think this is a very, very serious discussion we should have. Because in this country, if anybody else has compared, God forbid if the Congress party has compared, or somebody like Amir Khan and the Shah Rukh Khan has compared Mumbai with POK, अब तक क्या होता मुझे मालूम नहीं. Because I still remember what Amir Khan has said a few years back, and then the hell broke loose on him. So now here,
it's funny that you should bring that up. You know who threatened Amir Khan when he said that? You know who threatened Amir Khan when he said that? The Shiv Sena. The Shiv Sena threatened Amir Khan when he said that.
That's why I'm saying. That's why I'm saying not only Shiv Sena, but BJP and entire might of the central government and every minister, even the defense minister, has gone to the extent of saying he's not alive today.
But what happened to Amir Khan?
What did he say?
What happened
You
to
remember
Amir
what
Khan?
he
Did
say?
anyone tell Amir Khan that we'll break your
Since it
face?
is-
Did an MP of the BJP or anyone else tell Amir Khan we will break your face? Did an MP of the BJP send a municipal corporation to Amir Khan's office to demolish it?
Adja, you don't remember the kind of trolling was done. The kind
Sir,
of
you
he
are
was
talking
getting.
about trolling.
I very much
I'm
remember that.
talking
I
about
very
the
much remember
state
that.
government,
Today-
the
today-
MP
today-
of the party in power. So there is no comparison. Trolling happens to everyone.
there is
Trolling
no-
happens to you.
Come
Trolling
on,
happens
come
to
on,
me.
Padmija,
Trolling
don't be
happens to
selective.
Amit Satam.
I'm
Is
sorry,
it the
I'm
best
sorry,
thing?
don't be
No,
selective.
it's not. But to
Don't be
compare it to
selective. Amir
physical
Khan-
threats
Amir
of
Khan was
violence.
threatened like anything.
This is a
Shah Rukh
physical
Khan was
threat of
threatened like
violence.
anything. And
You
including
have got
Shah Rukh
an
and everybody.
MLA. Sir, Ashutosh, trolling, yes, is terrible. But
that
are
is-
you saying it
that-
should be
that-
compared to an MLA of the Shiv Sena saying, उसका मुंह तोड़ देंगे? Is it comparable to the BMC landing up at your house and saying we will demolish it tomorrow?
Worse treatment than this. Amir Khan met worse treatment than this.
Like?
Worse treatment.
Like?
He was,
Like what?
He was called
Like?
names. He was threatened. He was abused. He was given all kinds of names. His advertisements were withdrawn. And even the defense
Sir,
minister had gone to the
please
extent
give
that-
specific instances. Now that you have made a comparison, again, I repeat, trolling is terrible. But it cannot be compared to threats of violence. And just a second, I'll tell you what the difference is. Trolling happens through faceless cowards on social media, as opposed to the
Not talking about
state,
trollings.
which has in its control the BMC, which can land up at your office and say, हम तोड़ देंगे, and can tell people around you कि जो मोहतरमा बहुत ज्यादा उछल रही हैं, उसका खामियाजा सबको भुगतना पड़ेगा. That's the difference between a faceless troll and when the state decides to go against you.
Atmaja, with Amir Khan, the state
of
decided
Sanjay
to
Raut
put pressure on
and
advertisers
other Shiv Sena persons
to
called
withdraw
for
Vigyapans.
action
And I want to
under
remind you what the
section
defense minister has
354
said
of
that
the
point of time. So don't be
IPC.
selective on this.
It is
Don't be
oral
selective on this.
sexual
And if Amir
molestation.
Khan, Shah Rukh Khan,
It calls
Salman
for
Khan, Saif
action
Ali Khan
under
has
section
compared Mumbai with
506 of the
okay,
IPC,
by
which is
now the
criminal
BJP
intimidation. And the
want to,
BMC has not followed its standard
Don't
operating
correct it.
procedure while taking action against illegal construction. They are supposed to issue a notice under section 488 of the MMC Act, then go for inspection,
About
then
laws?
give a notice under section 351 or MRDP, and then take action. They have landed into her office without any notice, without any inspection notice, which is criminal trespass under section IPC. The BMC officer is guilty of criminal trespass.
Ashutosh.
Shiv Sena spokesperson and Shiv Sena MLA is guilty of section 354 of IPC and
Is this not
section
intimidation?
506 of
Is this
IPC.
not intimidation?
And what is this?
Padmaja,
That the
And
Padmaja.
just by the way, let me remind you that people at the receiving end might be different, but the modus operandi is so familiar that it's transparent. Exactly the same thing had happened to a famous RJ in Mumbai when she had made a video about the BMC. Suddenly, BMC people came to her house and said, dengue mosquitoes are breeding there. I mean, this is so transparent, Ashutosh, this mode of intimidation, that it's not even surprising anymore.
Blackmailing using
I want to
CBSE,
tell, I want to tell my
threatening
fellow
using
panelists,
CBSE.
the
This is
word
what
has
is happening
changed.
in the city of Mumbai
Now
today.
the CBI, Enforcement Directorate, Police, and the Narco Department, they all come from where? Who had formulated these rules? Who is talking about rules? Others are also learning. Others are also doing.
So you are admitting that this is use of state machinery for intimidation. You admit कि चलो ठीक है, BJP wrote the book, the Shiv Sena has taken a leaf out of it.
Now you are being taught in the same language. Look what happened in Rajasthan. The Enforcement Directorate landed, and then what? Ashok Gehlot sent his own men police to the
Okay,
Gurgaon.
chalo, at least we are all in agreement over here that this is use of state machinery for intimidation. We are agreeing over here.
No doubt about it. No doubt about it.
Okay, so
No doubt
state
about
machinery
it.
is being used for intimidation and it's okay because
Who
tit for
started
tat.
this?
Amit Satam, it's tit for tat. You are using ED, you are using NCB, you are using CBI against Riya Chakravarti. So Maharashtra government is using BMC, is using other things against Kangana.
While taking action against any illegality or irregularity or crime as a standard operating procedure to follow, there are rules that are laid down. There are regulations that have to be followed. You just cannot land up in somebody's house or office without a notice, without following the standard operating procedure, and just threatening people and saying that tomorrow we are coming to demolish. This is Banana Republic that is there.
Banana Republic, Shoaib
in the city
Chaudhary.
of Mumbai.
It's a banana republic where a citizen is now being bullied by the state, Shoaib Chaudhary.
See, give me please a few seconds to complete. I do not agree with what Mr. Sanjay Raut has said. His choice of word is extremely derogatory and I do not agree with that. Coming to Kangana Ranaut, she has been talking a lot about the women's safety recently, as I saw in one of her videos yesterday. So I suggest while she is coming to Bombay day after or Mumbai day after, she must take a detour. She must go to Hapur first, where a 6-year-old girl was raped and thrown into the jungles. Then she should travel down to Lakhimpur Kheri, okay, and meet up with the family of those little girls who were raped and thrown into the jungles and their private parts chopped off from the bodies. Now, then she must travel to Indore and then come to Mumbai, and then she would realize what living in safety means.
You know, Shoaib Chaudhary, the thing is that I heard you say exactly the same thing earlier in a TV debate.
That's not
now,
fair.
here's the thing. What TV panelists do, they come and they make these arguments and they repeat it on other channels. So I did a quick Google search. I did Mumbai
So what?
rape. And guess what I found?
Yeah, okay.
I found rape
Yeah.
of 15-year-old in moving car in Mumbai, 12th August. 3 rape 15-year-old girl in moving car on freeway, 11th August. 2 cops, auto driver booked for rape assault under POCSO Act. Police, Mumbai police look for major booked for rape, 14th of August. Man arrested for raping minor after promising marriage, 21st of August.
Okay.
So if you're going to go down that road, sir, if you're going to go down that road, yes, every rape should be investigated, but please, let's not do this comparison of, UP ka rape and Mumbai ka rape. This is disgusting. This is a disgusting comparison. What we're talking about is a woman being threatened, heckled and abused. I don't even want to get into it because each rape is one rape too many. I really wish we didn't have to sit on national TV and do a comparison of rapes. Kya Mumbai mein itne ho rahe hain aur UP mein itne ho rahe hain, isliye ye better hai aur wo kharab hai. Let's not do this. This is a very demeaning debate.
To Riya Chakravarti as well, who has been vilified for the last 3 months on across TV channels.
Yes,
Is that
go on,
not
make your
double
point.
standards?
Has anybody used derogatory
You will
language
speak
or
in favor
abusive
of
language
Kangana
for
and
her?
you will speak
I don't
against
think so.
Kangana, against
Nobody has
this
used
girl called
abusive
Riya
language, derogatory
Chakravarti,
language for
against
any
whom
lady
nothing has been
whatsoever.
proved. No
For that
agency has
matter.
got anything
Who's
against
used
her.
abusive language? Let me say at the outset,
Now you
I
have
give a
muted my voice.
blanket condemnation of anyone who's used abusive language against even Riya
Anybody,
Chakravarti.
for any lady,
It is
for that
disgusting.
matter.
It should not happen. Now tell
And
us who.
nobody has
Let's
used
name and shame those people. Go on, Mr. Shoaib.
What?
Go
Am
on.
I on?
Who's abused Riya Chakravarti? Who's called her a haramkhor? Go on, name the person.
Who has
hear anything.
said that
Name,
she will
name.
back Riya Chakravarti?
Name, sir.
Has anybody said this?
Name the person,
Has
Mr.
anybody
Shoaib.
said this?
All right,
Nobody
clearly
has
that's
said
not
this.
happening. So now you tell me, Mr. Vikram Singh Yadav, क्योंकि आप शिवसेना के सपोर्टर हैं, क्या आपको ठीक लगता है जब विजय वडेट्टीवार कहते हैं कि कंगना एक ट्रेटर है, उसको कभी माफ मत करना? जब कोई और कहता है कि जब वो वापस आएंगी तो उनको मुंह तोड़ दिया जाएगा, या कोई और उनको गाली देते हैं, और जब और सबसे एंड आई रियली वांट यू टू लिसन टू दिस रोशान गैरी, बिकॉज आई एक्चुअली हर्ड मिस्टर संजय राउत टुडे इन अनदर टीवी चैनल्स इंटरव्यू, एंड आज विक्रम सिंह यादव जिस पार्टी को सपोर्ट करते हैं उनके सांसद संजय राउत कहते हैं कि मैंने हरामखोर बोला क्योंकि हरामखोर का मतलब हमारे राज्य में होता है नॉटी। विक्रम सिंह यादव, आपको भी लगता है कि इसका यही मतलब होता है नॉटी?
पद्मा जी देखो,
जब बच्चे नॉटी होते हैं तो आप उनको ऐसी गाली देते हैं?
पद्मा जी देखो
शरारती हैं बहुत
पद्मा
बच्चे
जी
आजकल।
देखो, ये
बताइए।
चीजें ये चीजें देखो, अगर उनके मन में ऐसा था तो उन्होंने इसी चीज को लेकर कहा होगा, लेकिन आप देखिए कि ये चीज आज की नहीं है।
ऐसी चीजें
पहले
जब मन
भी
में होती है ना तो
बॉलीवुड
उनको मन में ही रखना चाहिए विक्रम जी।
एक बार आमिर खान ने
अगर
कहा,
ये मन की बात ऐसी बातें बाहर आ
एक बार
जाए
आमिर खान ने कहा
तो प्रॉब्लम हो
एक बार
जाती
आमिर
है।
खान ने कहा कि
और
मुझे डर
प्रॉब्लम ये
लगता
होती
है,
उसके बाद
मुझे डर
डेफिनेशन
लगता है
नोटिस
यहाँ
आता है।
नहीं,
आप
मैं
हर
वही कह रहा
चीज
हूं,
जो मन में
मैं
होती
उसी
है
चीज
उसको
पे-
जुबान पे
मैं-
इसीलिए नहीं
मैं
ला
उसी
सकते
चीज पे
ना,
आ रहा
क्योंकि
हूं।
उसको अब्यूज कहते हैं और
मैं-
डेफेमेशन कहते हैं।
से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो हमें कहने का कोई हक नहीं है। आप ये
नहीं, मैं उसी चीज पे आ रहा हूँ, मैं उसी चीज पे आ रहा हूँ। वैसे देखो, ये कहा तो उसके लिए जाता है जो जिस थाली में खाए उसी में छेद करे। देखे, कंगना को जो भी शोहरत मिली वो मुंबई से मिली, वो एक छोटे से एरिया से कहीं से
तो तोड़ दो उनका ऑफिस।
अगर वो मुंबई
उनका
में
ऑफिस
नहीं
तोड़
आती
दो।
तो क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि
आपने बोल
इतना
दिया
बड़ा
कि वो
करियर उनका
गद्दार
बनता?
है, वो थाली में छेद कर रही है तो ऑफिस तोड़ दो।
लेकिन अगर उसी मुंबई को नहीं, उसी मुंबई को अगर वो पीओके से तुलना करते हैं, देखो पीओके भी वैसे तो संसद में हमारा ये सब पास हो गया कि वो हमारा एरिया है, और उसी को हम अगर उसमें फर्क डालेंगे, कल को यूएनओ वालों भी बोलेंगे कि भाई आपके फिल्म के लोग पीओके को ऐसा बेकार बता रहे हैं।
विक्रम सिंह जी,
तो ये तो सब जगह
I have
बात
a
चलेगी,
simple
तो ये कहां पे
question.
सही है?
I have a
इसके लिए
simple
कंगना को कोई कुछ नहीं
question.
बोल रहा।
अगर अभी आपका और मेरा
लेकिन-
मतभेद होता है और मैं सरकार में हूं, मैं आपका घर तोड़ दूंगी, कहूंगी कि भाई विक्रम जी जो बोल रहे हैं मैं उससे इत्तेफाक नहीं रखती, ऑफिस तोड़ दो उनका।
देखिए, घर तोड़ने का देखो, घर तोड़ कोई किसी का नहीं तोड़ सकता। हाँ, किसी ने कोई इलीगल कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रखी है, इलीगल कुछ है तो उसमें जरूर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। उसमें तो ये तो देखो, कोई बचाव में इसकी तो आना ही नहीं चाहिए। इसमें तो सरकार के काम में किसी को बाधा नहीं डालनी चाहिए। अगर किसी ने कोई
एक औरत को गाली दे रहे, एक औरत को ये कह रहे कि आ जाओ मैदान में, ऐसे होते हैं।
अरे एक औरत पीओके, एक औरत हमारे देश, एक औरत मुंबई को पीओके का ऐसे बता रही जैसे पीओके कोई वो, एक तरफ तो हम पीओके को लेने की बात कर रहे हैं, उधर से वो पीओके को खराब बता रहे हैं, ऐसे मिसाल दे रही है। कल को बाहर विदेशी लोग भी क्या बोलेंगे कि भाई आपके लोग ही आपके पीओके को ऐसे उसकी इमेज बना रहे हैं, तो क्या सही है? विदेश में हमारी थुत्तू नहीं होगी, बाहर देशों में भी। आप ये कितनी बड़ी बात है।
विक्रम जी, आपने अभी भी मेरा जवाब नहीं दिया। आपने अभी भी मेरा जवाब नहीं दिया कि अगर किसी ने पीओके बोला है, जो कि उन्होंने बोला है और जो कि गलत है, आप आकर के उनको थ्रेटन करेंगे, अब्यूज करेंगे।
बिहार में चुनाव है,
ये है हमारा महाराष्ट्र।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, देखो बिहार में चुनाव है और इन लोगों को देखो, इन लोगों से बुलवाई जाती है। जैसे पहले आमिर खान से बुलवाया, नसीरुद्दीन साहब से बुलवाया, और तब भी लोगों ने इनको गद्दार, देशद्रोही, पता नहीं
किसी
क्या-क्या
को अपोलोजाइज करना। और अगर जहां तक आप
लेकिन
इंटिमिडेशन की बात कर रहे हैं सुंदर बालाकृष्णन, व्हाट मेनी पीपल डोंट डिस्कस, एवरीवन टॉक्स अबाउट ऑनलाइन ट्रोलिंग, पीपल टॉक अबाउट an online company taking away the contract of Amir Khan. As of right now, Kangana has 2 FIRs against her in Mumbai. Leave aside these threats. There are FIRs. The BMC has been unleashed on her. And then people are questioning, why does she need security? Isn't it but natural that security will be given if ministers and MPs are threatening you openly?
These people kill her, or these people rape her, and these people finish her. This is what you want. She doesn't deserve security.
Who's going to be responsible, Sundar Balakrishnan, if she comes tomorrow and somebody attacks her? When people are abusing her with impunity, then attack is just one step away, Sundar Balakrishnan.
Let not somebody interrupt me. See, she has been given vice security. It's good. Tomorrow she may be given MP ticket also for Rajya Sabha. That's also good. Okay? Now, coming back to this particular case of Kangana Ranaut talking, comparing Mumbai with POK, I absolutely condemn it. Okay? And at the same, fellow panelist, Mr. Ashutosh Tiwari, I also condemn the statement given by Mr. Sanjay Raut. Now, coming to this, started this first, Kangana Ranaut. Let her first retract from the statement, then Sanjay Raut also, as he said, he will also retract from the statement. Now, third, of this intimidation of deposing the office. Do you also remember the recent case of Kapil Sharma? He just made a statement of a bribe. Next day, the same BJP government was also hand on Shiv Sena. When the next day,
so Kangana has started it. Roshan Gary, Kangana started it and she had it coming. Kangana Ranaut, Roshan Gary.
Exactly. It's like any which ways the women are not safe in this country. Any which ways we have so many threats of day-to-day life, whether it is there or not. And then suddenly, the people who have to take care of
Women
us,
is
the
not safe
government
even in
who
UP.
has to take care
It
of
is
us,
your Yogi
government who has to take
who
care
is
of
in
us,
UP
the government
ruling.
is threatening
Daily
us.
one rape
The
is
government,
reported there.
instead of giving
You
us
are
the
talking of
security,
Uttar
the
Pradesh.
safety,
Who
is saying,
who
please
talks
come,
of-
we will
who
break
talking
your
of
face,
empowering
please come,
women.
we will
And
finish
there
you.
all
Is
the-
this what? Is this what?
ladies
Where
are
are we
being raped
heading?
in and
Where
out.
are we
What about
heading?
that?
Where is the safety of a woman? What she's saying.
Ashutosh, do you blame them? Do you blame them that security is given? Is it surprising then that security is given?
I'm little surprised.
I mean, aren't the threats apparent?
I'm little surprised with the speed she was given the security. I think she should have come to the Mumbai without security and should have seen and should have exposed Mumbai government that if Mumbai police had not provided her security, I think then she had a legitimate case. Here,
Sir,
she
that's
did
a
not
bit
do
much.
that.
I mean, you are
She
saying
did
that
not
she
do
should
that.
have been subjected to violence and then she would have said, wow, look, I have exposed Mumbai, the government of Maharashtra.
We are threatening her.
So you expect her to be put in physical danger for the Maharashtra government to be exposed. This is like saying, you know what, let's have a terror attack and then see just how good our intelligence agencies is. That will be the real test of intel agencies.
Should the central government wait for another Sushant Singh Rajput case to happen?
Government did not provide any security.
Amit Satam.
She was provided security. That
See,
itself
those
smacks
people
of
who are threatening her
other
are in power. They are running the state. They are in government. They are running the home ministry.
tell me, my
So
dear friend.
should the central government wait for another Sushant Singh Rajput case to happen? By not providing security. Security
Ashutosh.
and safety is the right of any citizen of this country. And if there is a sensitive matter, if there is a preemptive threat
wish-
to somebody's life, then it is the primary responsibility of the law enforcement agencies to provide security to those citizens.
I would have been arguing your case if the same Modi government has provided security to my dear friend Ashish Khaitan and others who had gone to the court and knowing fully well that he had been threatened on a daily basis. So where was the Modi government then? Why didn't they provide security to him? Now here just she writes something, a post on that, and then suddenly you get a security. So let's not be selective on this. Let's be
Just a second. Ashutosh. Kangana says there were shots heard outside her house in Himachal. Now you've got people who are a part of government openly threatening her. There are people who have abused her who are in the ruling party. You're saying that the giving of security to her is a bit overboard.
The government has been selective. I've been saying there are many people who are threatened on a daily basis. They are going to the court and asking security, and through court they are getting security from the central government. There are many cases.
Amit Satam. Okay, that's a relevant point. In fact, people are saying there are sarpanches in Kashmir who are being murdered by terrorists. They don't get security with the kind of alacrity that Kangana Ranaut has. Is this going a bit overboard?
No, this is not going a bit overboard. See, we have to differentiate two different situations. The point here is that those people who are running the state.
I mean, surely the threat to sarpanches in Kashmir is from terrorists. You can't play that down, right? I mean, by all means, Shiv Sainiks can be violent if they want to. Yes, the threats are vile against Kangana Ranaut, but you cannot play down the kind of threat that is faced by people who are working in Kashmir. Amit Satam. Then what explains the alacrity?
The difference is that these people, Kangana Ranaut is being threatened by somebody who is a part of the highest authority, highest house in the country, the Rajya Sabha. Somebody who is a member of the highest house in the state of Maharashtra. She is being threatened by lawmakers. Those people are in government. So if she lands in Mumbai, something happens to her, already we have lost one Sushant Singh Rajput. So
and if anyone was in any doubt about whether Mr. Raut even regrets 1 inch, one word of what he said, I want you to listen just a second, Ashutosh. For everyone who's saying that the threat is being overhyped or is being overplayed, just listen in to what Sanjay Raut said when he was asked about if he's in the least apologetic about the abuse and the threat to Kangana Ranaut. Listen.
कल महिला को लेकर जो अपशब्द आपने कहे उसको लेकर आप माफी मांगेंगे क्या? पीछे लेना है।
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर।
जिस लड़की के बारे में आप ये वकालत कर रहे हो, उसने महाराष्ट्र के बारे में जो बात की है वो जाकर उसके पूछो, और बाद में मेरे पास आई। ये चमचेगिरी बंद करो आप।
समाज का
मैं
बड़ा
बोल रहा हूं।
तबका, राउत साहब,
अरे
समाज का
छोड़ो।
एक बहुत बड़ा तबका ये कह रहा है कि संजय राउत को माफी मांगनी चाहिए। आप क्यों नहीं माफी मांगना
अगर वो
चाहते?
लड़की माफी मांगेगी महाराष्ट्र की तो मैं सोचूंगा। वो लड़की अगर मुंबई को मिनी पाकिस्तान बोलती है, क्या वो उसकी हिम्मत है अहमदाबाद को मिनी पाकिस्तान बोलने की?
वो लड़की शोएब चौधरी, यहाँ पे एक महिला है जो कि अपने बलबूते पे एक्टर बनी है, वो लड़की अगर माफी मांगेगी, यू थिंक एनीवन फील सेफ कमिंग बैक टू अ सिटी वेयर दीज पीपल आर इन गवर्नमेंट? शोएब चौधरी,
See, I have already said that I do not agree with what Shiv Sainik and Mr. Sanjay Raut
if
is
you
saying
do not agree, then it's
Kangana. I do
clear.
not
You
with
agree that
at
what
all.
happened
But
was a
at the
threat,
same
right?
time,
You
allow
agree
me
what
to
happened was a
complete,
threat.
please.
So if somebody is threatened,
But at the
they
same
need
time,
security, right?
what Mr. Nasiruddin Shah has said about Kangana Ranaut, the jibe that Nasiruddin Shah made at Kangana Ranaut of half-educated starlet, Kangana has proved Mr. Shah right by making this insensible remarks and
Okay,
statements.
that's really regrettable what you're saying, sir. I mean, in addition to the patronizing tone of Sanjay Raut, this kind of, you know, we're not here to discuss how intellectual or educated somebody is. And least of all, I think you're nobody to certify how educated or half educated or starlet somebody is. And you might think she's a starlet. I am pretty certain she is more successful than most people sitting here on the panel. So please, let's not get into this personal mudslinging against anyone.
Extremely illiterate. She is sounding extremely illiterate by falling prey to a political party. That's what I'm saying.
These people have more.
She's sounding like a pawn of a political party. And whose voice are you speaking in, sir? When you say, oh yes, she shouldn't be threatened, she shouldn't be abused, but I still think she's a half-educated starlet. Whose voice are you speaking in? Whose mouthpiece are you, Mr. Chaudhary?
I'm saying she's being played by a political party.
She's being played.
I did not agree to what Mr.
So
Shah
she's
said,
being
but
played
she
by a
is
political
being
party.
played into that.
Who is playing Sanjay Raut for
by
him
a
to be
political
abusing
party
her
because
and for him to be speaking in a patronizing tone to her?
I do not agree with
Who
Mr.
is playing
Sanjay Raut.
Sanjay? That doesn't matter, sir.
I do not agree with
I
that
do not
language.
agree with
I do
Kangana
not
Ranaut
agree
either.
with the
But
language.
that
But
doesn't
at the
mean
same
that
time,
she's
I do
going to
not
be
agree with
threatened.
what I do, yes.
Roshan Gary.
Then? Who is?
And you give me a reason for your double standards of fighting for Kangana and not standing by and vilifying Riya Chakravarti on your debates. Please help me understand, what are you trying to prove to the world?
I am trying to show it to the world that Riya Chakravarti, even she would have somebody behind her to be so confident the way she walks. She doesn't have any fear about it.
Okay, I do not even want to sit in judgment about why Riya Chakravarti is behaving the way she is and whether she is being propped up by anyone. The case is being investigated. Let's leave people out of it. Let's leave value judgments out of it. The simple thing is that abuse cannot be justified in any fashion, and threats is absolutely not to be tolerated in democracy. So if things had to come to such a pass where someone was being openly abused and threatened, can you really fault that person to get security, to seek security, and for the authorities to be giving them security? Thanks very much for having joined me on debate number 1. I'm taking a very, very quick break, and we certainly hope that nothing untoward happens when Kangana Ranaut comes back to Mumbai. Yes, people may have a difference of opinion with her, but she deserves to be safe in her own country. Quick break.